Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So today we are going shopping to Target. So I've been wanting to redecorate my upstairs guest bathroom for some time, and I finally have the chance and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So today we're going to go pick up everything that I need to redecorate. We're also going to clean my bathroom, and then you guys are just going to watch me shop at Target, and then we're going to go back home and decorate. Now, before you're asking, girl, do you really go out in public like that? Girl, yes, I do. Okay. I hopped out of the shower. I did some things. My hair dries so fast, and now I look like I just escaped from, I don't know, somewhere, and I look crazy, but that's okay. I'm gonna pull up my hair in a bun. We're gonna go shopping, and I am excited. So grab your cafecito, grab your wallets, grab your credit card, your debit card, your cash, grab your man's wallet, and let's go shopping to Target. To the bathroom aisle, and this is exactly the one that I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. And then I think I'm even gonna get this little wastebasket. And then I gotta get a few other products, but this is pretty cute. I actually really like this one, but I want to stay in theme, so these are super cute and they fit the vibe. This is for the toothbrush holder, which I don't necessarily need now until I get some guests. So I am gonna take this one, bathroom set, comes with this. We're taking that one, and I was thinking instead of doing this style, I'm gonna do this basket because I really like it. So that looks cute. And then I think I'm gonna do this instead. I really like this. I like the gold accent. I like this. It just looks really pretty, and it's a little bit cheaper too. So, and I'll show you. It still looks really cute. Yeah, that's gonna look cute, huh? Oh yeah. Okay, so far I got these little canisters. I thought they would look really cute with this basket. These can hold Q-tips, cotton swabs, toothpicks, whatever, and they would look so cute with this. So this is what I have. Should I do these? Look, it's either into this green or that green. Probably the lighter green, huh?
Unless you want to do like a contrast, then you would do a darker one.
Yeah, I think I like these though. So I'll do 2 of these. Wait, what's the difference? Performance plus, oh, oversized. I don't need oversized. So I'm gonna get these, right? Okay, so yeah, these are the regular towels. So I'm gonna get 2 of these, which should match all the decor. Yep. And then I need a hand towel. So I need 1 of these. Okay, no, I changed my mind. I went with, so these are the lighter and these are like the darker, more olive green. So I got 2 regular size bath towels. I got 1 hand towel. We have the basket for the trash, the 2 canisters, this little woven basket, and then the set, and then this little bathroom set. So that's what we have so far, and I'm excited. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna get are these. So this is some wall art, and thankfully it's a 2-piece for $50, which is kind of expensive, but it's something that I think I'm gonna leave there forever. So I'm gonna take those, and I think that is everything. They also have these, but these have this, and it's more gray instead of brown. This one's really cute, but obviously it's blue. And then they have these, but these are a little, they're different. I don't think they fit in the bathroom, so I'm gonna take that one, and I think it'll look super cute with everything. So let's go home and let's go decorate. So let's take a view at what the current bathroom is looking like. Of course, I'm first going to clean it. I need to declutter all this, clean that. I have been cleaning it here and there. And I just recently cleaned the tub because Lincoln is back here taking showers. So this is his little like spot. And then I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna wash it because my mom loves taking like my old shower curtains, and this one is giving dirty. Look at that. It is so disgusting. So I'm definitely gonna wash it and see if she wants it, and then we can start the decorating process. But of course, just wanted to give a shout out to my fellow my fellow co-host, Cleo. Hi, baby. Cleo, say hi. She's always by my side. Also, if you don't own one of these, what are you doing with your life? You definitely need one. So let's just start cleaning.
So far away. Last night was one big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. Hey. No way to change. No way to change. Our yesterday. No way to change. Our yesterday. When I was lonely, you were with me. When I was empty, you touched me gently.
Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I'm a little bit out of breath. I had to run downstairs, but what do you guys think? I'm living for this olive green. These canisters are so freaking cute. I will link everything for y'all, and then I need to fill this up with some soap, this little olive. Oh, I love this. Okay, now here's the thing. These are not gonna fit up there. As you can see, the space is pretty narrow. I can fit one, but I can't fit both of them. So my dilemma is, do I return these and find one, or do I put one here and one here? So yeah, you guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for coming and shopping with me. Also, let me know if I should keep that. I almost feel like it looks really cute, so I might just keep that. I really loved the way this turned out. It is so cute. It looks so bright in here. And this curtain is just adorable. I'm thinking, excuse me, of getting a different one. I'm gonna put this one on this side, and then I'm gonna get like a cream ivory bath mat here. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But other than that, it is officially 1 o'clock. It's past 1 o'clock. I didn't even notice. It's almost 1:40, and I have not had anything to eat. Surprisingly, I am not hungry. So I'm gonna drink my protein shake, and then I think I'm gonna have some like tacos de carne later today because we have some leftover from yesterday. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for cleaning my bathroom and decorating my bathroom with me. I am obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.